The Gastroenterology Department of Vasavi Hospital is involved in providing all types of highly specialized medical gastroenterology, surgical gastroenterology, and liver care services for the disorders affecting all organs of a digestive system.
Hello, I am Dr. Akshay Masur, gastrophysician and therapeutic GI endoscopist with 5 years of experience. In our hospital, which is Vasavi Trust Hospital, Bangalore, our prime focus is on giving utmost care and security and giving enhanced recovery rates to the patients. We are backed up with advanced endoscopic facilities, which you can see in the background. This is a Olympus CV170 endoscope, which has got a colonoscope also, and this is Pentax EUS machine system. So with the help of these machines, we can identify the diseases of the esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestines. We can diagnose tumors, any enlarged lymph nodes, any pathology in the lungs. So many other illnesses can be identified. We primarily deal with the specialties like any diseases of the esophagus, GI bleeding, tumors, liver pathologies, gallstones, removal of gallstones, pancreatic diseases, inflammatory bowel diseases, long-term diarrhea, weight loss, malabsorption, many other illnesses as such. Our hospital also has got facilities for ERCP, which is removal of gallstones which are stuck in the bile duct, which can cause jaundice, which is a very advanced kind of procedure. We are well equipped with our nursing and surgical background, and there is liver treatment facility also, and advanced ICU care facility also is available in our hospital. So the take home message to our patients is, if you are having any symptoms of decreased appetite or any history of blood vomiting, anemia, abdominal distension, jaundice, chronic history of pain abdomen, weight loss, any such symptoms, you can always take help of us, our expert doctors, and all the investigative facilities that are available in our hospital. Adding to this, we are also offering services for COVID infected patients, COVID care facilities with advanced ICU setup, and our dedicated team for the care of COVID patients.
We at Vasavi Hospital focus on giving prominence to patients' comfort and security by giving expert diagnosis and enhanced recovery from all kinds of gastrointestinal diseases, making our experts to the top of their game in this domain.
Thank you for exploring Vasavi Hospital. For more information on our services, care, and to find a physician, please visit www.vasavihospital.com.